In today's demo, I want to show you how to run a keyword search using a new analytics session to find the documents that you're looking for. In order to do so, we'll open a new analytics session by clicking on New at the Analytic option. So now we have access to the entire corpus. What we're going to use is we're going to use the filter called Query, that one over here. We'll open that and we'll open the query itself by clicking on the box. Let's input some keywords for searching. So let's add the carbon footprint. Since we're looking for a phrase, we need to put that into double quotes. The reason for that is that if we'll put that in two separate words, it's going to search for carbon or footprint. So in order to search for carbon footprint, it needs to come in a form of embedding in double quotes. In order to add another word, we're going to add a new line by simply clicking on Add Row. Then we're going to put in the second word, recycle. So recycle will actually search for all of the different pronunciation of recycle, meaning recycle, recycling, and so on and so forth. Let's add a third word. Again, since it's a phrase, we're going to put that in double quotes. Now we can add synonyms. How to do so? The best way is to use the AI suggestion for that. Simply clicking on the arrow icon at the end of the line will suggest new alternatives. So for example, it suggests emission, climate change, sustainability. What we're going to do is we're going to add our own. If we're going to click on any of those, it's going to be added. So I'm going to click on one. As you can see now, renewable energy is added. But I don't want to use that. I'm going to use a different one. So I'm going to delete that and add the CO2 footprint. Now it's actually going to search for carbon footprint or CO2 footprint and recycle and electrical components. Let's look at the other options that we have here. So if I'm going to click on these three dots, it's going to open a window that actually explain where we're going to search for that specific line. So carbon footprint or CO2 footprint is going to be searched in the title, abstract, and claims. This is the default value. If you want to change that, all we need to do is select a different component. But if you're going to keep with the default, it's going to be there. Same for any other line. So we can mix and match one line in specific sections, while different lines in different sections. If we're going to click on this small E icon, it's going to indicate that we're looking for exact match, meaning that it needs to be carbon footprint without any variations. So carbon footprints will not be matched. So again, the default value is not selected. If you want to delete a line, all we need to do is click here on remove. Once we are ready, we need to hit apply to indicate that we finish updating the query. And then again, apply on the filter section to indicate that the filters were updated and you want to get to the results matching these new filters. So once I do that, I'm narrowing down the search from 400 million to just 18, the relevant articles that matches that specific query. Hope that helps. Thank you so much.